Very good morning to everybody. Today we are celebrating the 133rd birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India from the year 1947 to 1963. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, and he died on 27th May 1964 in the age of 74 years. Now the main question and main point is that why we are celebrating the Children's Day on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What are the main reasons, what are the logic and causes behind it? The main reason behind it that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had a great inclination towards the students. He had great emotional attachment with the students. He had great love and affection in his heart for the children. In the eyes of, in the innocent eyes of and face of the children, he saw the future of the nation. So he thought to do more and more for the educational development and for the welfare of the children. He launched lot of schemes, number of schemes for the welfare and development and for the education of the children. He had a great vision and mission about the higher learning and higher education of the children. So he established many premier Indian institutes like IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay. He also established All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and he also established a lot of public sectors like Violent Natural Gas Commission, Life Insurance Corporation, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Indian Space Research Organization. So he has a very noble ideas and intention, especially for students and children. So this is the reason we are celebrating the Children's Day on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Just like the Teachers' Day, which is being celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Now, schools are our first educational temple where the children are making and shaping their futures. The students, the teachers of the schools and institutions are the foundations and pillars of the educational temple. A very deep relation between the teachers and students. On one occasion, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan told that teachers are the best mind of the country, while students are the great resource of the nation. When aligned together properly, when put together properly with best coordination, it can produce a large number of expert, talent and a scholar which a country always need, always looking for. Now I like to focus the importance of the children, the true evaluation and assessment of the children. No doubt in it that the students are the assets of the assets of the nation, assets of the society, assets of the family. Children are just like the birds of our garden. Moreover, children are like the raw soil which we can mold in any kind of shape what we like. So we must put best of our effort for the welfare, for the development and for the education of the children. So we are celebrating Children's Day in whole of the country to pay our tributes to our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and to renew the relations between the teachers and the students, their responsibilities, their role and responsibility in the development of the students. So this is one of the most important day that we call Children's Day. Now we wish all the children, we also pray, request the children to do hard labor, do more and more practice and learning, to become success in life, and to give the very strong support to their parents to raise the name and fame and glory of their schools and institutions. We also hope and pray to God for a very bright future, very good careers, and very smiling, pleasant, and happy life of all the children. Thank you very much.